Very live. Yo! What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Let's lock in here for a sec. Everything's normal. GG's. I think everything's normal. Wow, this is unbelievable. Check, check. Test. All right, sick. Sick as. It's not been a good week for you? Yep. It's got alone, my dude. See if there's lessons in it. Whatever you did, see if there's lessons. Yeah, we're kind of cooked here for buys. We'll see. We'll do a bit of an analysis here in a second. The Dissy is a busy, bro. The Dissy's cooking. Look at the voice channel. I know. I was looking at it before. You guys are all firing on all cylinders over here on the... It's fucking amazing to see. Yeah, I love seeing that. All the guys in the mentorship just cooking on the call together, pre-London. Yeah, everyone's cooking up a storm. Everyone's cooking up a storm. So, what's up, you guys? Let's have a look. Nah, giveaway's gonna be tomorrow now. It keeps fucking getting pushed back. I think it's gonna be tomorrow now. It's gonna be the biggest giveaway in freaking trading history. Yeah, I'm doing the biggest giveaway in trading history tomorrow, I think. So I think it's going to be a good idea to do a bit of a top-down analysis here, you guys. Chop suey for the last couple days. And I think it's going to be a good idea to do a bit of an analysis quickly to see if anything's changed. So if we look at the weekly, the weekly is the exact same as yesterday. Nothing interesting here. Nothing new. What up, Moradol? The daily, look how bitch ass yesterday's daily candle was. Right, Monday was massive drop. Yesterday was a little nothing. And today we're just chilling. So let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is giving us no information. 1 hour, just a pretty solid push up just then. 30-minute. Yeah, it's going to be a tricky one for buys. So buys above this level is going to be the go. I'll put a note here. Yeah, buys are going to be tricky today because there's not many targets or much range. I really would like to sell gold, whether that means getting some sort of even I'll happily sell from here. Like if this can create some sort of structure and sell back down, I'll do that all day. Because it could give us a little pullback here. We sell it here. It does the pullback, pulls up around here and then continues through. Then you can look at a breakout. But yeah, the breakout level is going to be here. Other than that, man, this is consolidation of death through here. But there's clean traffic here to the left at least now. So if it wants to create like a nice sell opportunity, we can sell back down along this shit. Can slide down nicely along this. And that's about it, man. And break, like I would really love a break below here, but you know, we've crawled away a fair bit now. This would be like the most ideal. I really want to sell gold more than anything. The only reason I have buys above here is because it's the only spot where there's enough range. You can see here, it's clean to the left. Other than that, it's fucking chop suey all through here. There's resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, here. Yeah, it's a disaster all through here. It's a fucking minefield, you guys. So wear your helmets if you're gonna buy. Wear your helmets. Is it the biggest because it pushed back so far and even newborns? I don't know. Yeah, type 2 would be nice. New subscriber here. Nice, good to have you here, James. J-Dog. Yeah, I think that's what I'm looking at here. Hopefully You guys caught that? Anyone that's new? Just kind of went over what I was kind of looking at. NQ. Yeah, I don't know about NQ, man. Is this all-time highs? Yeah, it is. I mean, could take some sort of impulse buy. I don't like that 30 is weak like that. Same with the 1 hour. We'll see. I'll come back to that NQ can anyone remind me when that 15-minute looks like it's when it's getting closer to closing? Let's take a sticky beak at NQ again when it gets closer. Today news is there news today? I don't think there is. Red folder for the US dollar. Nah, there's no red folder today. Does Forex 4 hour look interesting? Not really. Yeah. Mega range of death, man. Be safe, guys. Don't force anything here. There is some background noise, really? Tell you what, I'm actually going to turn off this suppressor. Oh, it is off. Sick. Yeah, W. Okay. Entered to buy half an hour ago, then look left. Yeah. Oh, standard bloke to buy half an hour ago, then I looked left. I mean, 15 pips is 15 pips. Yeah. 15 pips, 15 pips. What up, Pez? Pez, the only mentorship you need is mentoring your sleep patterns. No, I don't know about any of that shit. Yeah. How does the giveaway work? I'll go through it tomorrow. You'll see tomorrow. The only reason I haven't, I was waiting for a contract from these guys just so I have everything in paper. Because if we're going to do the world's biggest giveaway, then I'm going to need a fair bit of stuff on paper in terms of agreements and contracts and stuff. And they're just getting some of that stuff sorted. The African Americans, they love Trump. They really do. So, history. What up, my brother? Lost a K yesterday after having a couple good days. I missed. Yeah, so that's one of the most important things, you guys, is having this daily lockout limit. You know, my daily lockout limit's pretty low at the moment because this is a fresh bunch of 50K accounts. So I'm going to be slowly, gradually building them up. But you really want to be setting that daily lockout limit if you have the shits there to do it. I have sales. I have sales. What up, Bluey? B-dub. Sign the contract. Sign the goddamn contract. What up, my lord? Yeah, so I went through before. I did a bit of an analysis of what I'm looking at, you guys, and that's what I'm looking at. What up, Grant? Got your Top Step account after our call yesterday? Nice. Yeah, sick. Yeah, been having some good one-on-one calls with some of these guys. Awesome. Yeah, Grant, any of you guys in the mentorship, Grant, you'll probably see Grant in there. He's an interesting cat. You know, it's funny, I've noticed a lot of guys that, you know, get into trading or find success in trading typically have like an entrepreneurial spirit, meaning they've like tried drop shipping or they've tried some other way of making money online. Like Grant's found a lot of success with drop shipping and stuff, but you know, I think most of us go through a stage of trying some other way of making money online. It's something I've definitely noticed a lot. We stopped Top Step after passing the evaluation. Can you get payouts after 5? Yes. I don't think you need some sort of buffer. This is the first time I've traded Top Step seriously, in a serious fashion. Are you looking for longs? If I had a preference, I'd rather shorts, to be honest. But I'll take longs if I'm presented the shit. Yeah, but if I had a choice, I would rather sell. Like if this can push down and create a bit more bearish volume, I might even be interested in fucking selling this. Like yeah, I'm not against the idea of, you know, price coming down and maybe even a small body here and then selling back down. What up, Pharaoh? Yeah, I'll throw the free Discord link into the YouTube chat if any of you guys want to join the free community over here. We've got a free Discord community. You get goat signals. I'll chuck it in the chat right now. Bias is bearish. Yeah. How to know a strong or weak wick on support or resistance level? I mean, do you mean if it breaks out and then the retest wick? Like if a candle were to break out like this, right? You got a few options. Like if you're looking for a breakout trade, just say, well, this is a strong level that we're looking for a breakout and the candle breaks above. You've got a few options. Like the market's never going to give you a really pretty, just clean setup. It's going to do something like this where it breaks out quite far and it has a pretty steep top wick and you're like, God damn it. Now I can't enter at the break of the high of this candle because it's too high up now. So now you got to play a different game. Maybe you could wait for a big retest and maybe take what would be considered a bit of a risk and enter there, or you could be patient and hope that this closes kind of small body and then enter as it breaks this wick. Like there's so many scenarios that are going to get thrown at you and you have to adapt to them. Or it can like close like that with little to no top wick and then you're like, oh, you know, no range has really been created yet. Do I want to partake in that candle that's going to be the one creating the range? What if it rejects? And you know, so that's why like when people are like, dude, what are you going to do when this happens? I'm like, I just have to see how it sets up because every setup's going to be slightly different. NQ's looking good. It's kind of holding this level, isn't it? You know, I might be interested in some sort of NQ buy. I don't really like that previous hour candle, but it's looking like it's holding this level all right. Yesterday's sell was fire. Yeah, we got a nice sell position yesterday, yeah. So we've got a minute here on NQ. Might be interested in something there. It's kind of extending quite a lot up, just like I spoke about actually. Money, 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 money. This is the thing when you're buying into all-time highs, it is like, there's this like, it's not like, it's risky because all you've really got is the confluence of, okay, we broke out, we held that level. If it retests and pushes back up, it means buyers are still in control to some degree. So it's like, you don't have a bunch of shit on your side to back up the story that this is a good idea. There's only a couple. So it's like, it is a bit risky. I'm more confident when it's gold, all-time highs, but we'll see. All right, so there's a breakout there. Am I tripping? Is this all-time highs? Psych level 24. Yeah, nice. Good spotting. I mean, that's a good target, right? I like this, create a bit of a top wick. I might take a risk here. If it can wick down and break that top wick there, I might jump in. All-time highs feels like a gamble. Yeah, it's a little bit, I mean, I'm not as experienced trading NQ as I am trading gold all-time highs. I fucks with gold all-time highs. I mean, but like Sam just said there, we've got a nice psychological number right there. Whole number, 2400. And that's a good little target. Sell high, buy low. But yeah, how do you know when the high is? That's the issue. You know, because you could have said that here, right? And then what happened? It kept moving up. So you only know it's a high when it's down here. And you're like, oh, I guess that was a high. Nah, I don't trade pre-London. The guys in the mentorship do. I typically don't. Bro, if anyone wants to fucking buy me a new mouse, oh, is gold doing something? No. Forex, is Forex off again? No. No. Yeah, obviously gonna need a retest. Obviously gonna need a retest. Yeah, that is true, Mitch. I guess you're right. I mean, that's so crazy, man. That is true. In Dubai, you can order something online and you get a knock on the door like the next day. And Uber Eats and stuff, or Deliveroo here, it's just like, I'll order it, put my phone down, then I'll hear ding, someone at the door. I'm like, holy shit. You make money off gold shorts off stream? Nah, I took a gold buy yesterday off after we streamed. Do you only go to gym? Yeah, I only go to the gym. I want to get back into boxing. Oh, Stacy, after 10,000 years. What's happening? Stacy, only OGs will know the Stacy law. Hope you're well. Nah, I need more of a bottom wick than that, man. Yeah, look, Jack over here, not remember Stacy. Stacy's mom. I mean, look at this 1 hour engulfed a lot of this shit here. It's just too risky still, for me personally. It could punch up through here. Yeah, it could definitely punch up. Looking handsome. Thank you. I would give you a compliment, but I can't see you. But I know that you look good anyway, so there's my compliment. Got it going on. Yeah, it looks like NQ didn't want to really give us a retest there. Obviously, like, it's all-time high, so I'm like, I need a couple fucking things in my favor if I want to take it. Like, at the bare minimum, give me a retest. Type shit. At the bare minimum. Tell her we moved on to story. Damn, I keep forgetting to message her assistant. Is this a new setup? Yeah, I live in Dubai now. This is my new setup. Things have changed since we last spoke. Yeah, things have changed. I live in Dubai now. Habibi. I live in Habibi. Stick to gold. Gold's my main bitch, but I do. Yeah, I do have. NQ's like my mistress. Are you really, Stacy? We've got to connect, bro. If you really are. How's it hanging? Good, thanks. Yeah, if your strategy told you to buy Muhammad, good shit. Learn Arabic? Yeah, okay. Oh, there's a crypto event in December. Okay, yeah, I didn't know that. Do you trade NQ? Yeah, in the London session, yep. I just trade it whenever there's volume, and I can see there's volume right now. Look at the size of these candles. There's big bodied candles here. So yeah, I just trade it when there's volume. No, there's no Tory news because I keep forgetting to DM her manager. Yeah, there's clean traffic for like 4 hour and the 1 hour, but I still need the lower time frames to make sense. And right now they're just messy. It's just too messy for me to do that. I mean, the fact that we've been consolidating for so long, like I am anticipating volume to either kick in London or New York, and we're going to get this shit's going to bust, man. Like, oh, where'd you move, Stacey? Patience is key, I agree. Yeah, I've got a podcast straight after this with Wayond. It's wild to see so many streams popping up. The ones who bring real free value will last the longest. Amazing how your channel is growing. I'm really happy. Thank you, thank you. I didn't hit 50k subs, but I still thank you. I mean, is there streams popping up all the time? I haven't really noticed. I have noticed that streams pop up and go, like people come and go pretty quick. It's pretty like, the first like 3 months is gonna be hard to stick. If you can stick through 3 months of streaming, you should be good to go. The first 3 months is the hardest because it's a new routine. There's no one watching. It feels kind of awkward. Yeah, if you can get through the first 3 months, you should be good to go. Did the Raja vid come out? Bro! Raja, if you're watching, how are you a millionaire? How are you a millionaire? You say your word and you stick to it, my dude. What did you say about funded account? I love this new Daniel. What do you mean new Daniel? What's different? Sorry, my camera's freaking glitching. After there are a few ones that have been, yeah, there's a few that have been streaming for years plus. Yeah, everything. Okay, I'll take it. Just everything, even my gender. Need to pump out more shorts, bro. They're awesome. Thank you, bro. Bro, I fucking hate TikTok. So I posted a short on TikTok this morning. This happens all the time, and they compress the file so it's super pixelated. Even the audio is cooked. But then I delete it, and then if you repost the same thing, then TikTok flags it and like 3 people see it. So you're fucked either way. So frustrating, man. Because you put so much effort into making a good reel, and then you post it, TikTok fucks it all up for you. Yeah, it's happened so many times. What up, Ethan? Probably got a wife now? No, I don't even know what a girl is. That's something. I mean, I post a lot of shorts on my Instagram. Yeah, look at NQ just kind of sitting there, didn't really do much. It could still go. What up, Callum? Any books you recommend? Yes. There's 3 books. Other ones in my room, but Skill with People. If you want to improve your life, improve your communication skills. What's the number one thing you do like every day, right? It's your ability, you speak to people, right? You speak with people. If you can't communicate, then you're just cooked. I never used to be. I used to be the most introverted. My sister was saying to me yesterday, she's like, how are you doing all this shit? You're always such a little quiet kid. And I'm like, well, I just decided to change because I realized quiet, introverted doesn't get you anywhere in life, especially as a man. You can do anything. As long as you're hot with a chick, you can do pretty much anything. But as a guy, like you need to be able to communicate and speak well. And second book would be Think and Grow Rich. This book really helped me. Now, the reason I like this book, it was put together way before social media. So like, you know, books about manifestation and shit like that. I don't really like the word manifestation, but books about things that are outside, like using your mind in a certain way. These days, I feel like are heavily influenced by trends and what's going to get clicks. This was before clicks and fucking clickbait. And it's so relevant still to this day. I think it was written in 1920 or something. Napoleon Hill. Maybe that's a bit of a stretch, but really changed. This book really affected me in a good way. And then the third book would be the Bible. Stacy's mom's got it going on. The first book it's a really small book. It's essentially just a summary of how to win friends and influence people. It's just about like communication skills, essentially. It's a really short book. Wife me up already. Oh, I gotta wife the game up. I'm still trying to wife these charts up. Bro, just don't start sniffing aura crystals on. Bro, what the fuck's an aura crystal? Bible changed my life. Yes, feels. Yeah, dope book, hey Grant. Yeah. Yeah, I've read How to Win Friends and Influence People as well. It's a good book. Yeah, good book. I just think about so many opportunities and so many places I've been able to take advantage of because of my ability to communicate. And that's not me saying that I'm some special communicator or nothing. I just mean in comparison to what I used to be like and what a lot of people can be like. Like I wouldn't have been on a podcast with Raja. I wouldn't have been on any of these podcasts I wouldn't have this many people on stream and things like that if I was just like an introverted little like stumbling over every word and like you got to know how to communicate for sure. But I put a lot of that. I put a lot of weight of that into. I've always been in sales positions as well. I've always been the number one sales guys at whatever I was doing. I was selling cars. I was the number one sales guy. I was PT, number one PT manager, managing teams of personal trainers. I even hired some personal trainers to work under me at one stage. Massive failure, but it was still interesting. Then I just took my entire life savings to this trade. Bad idea. Very bad idea. NQ's kind of pushing. Can't do anything about it. Golden NQ, Stace. Yeah, golden NQ. That's funny. Yeah. I don't really know what you mean, Abdul. It's all circumstantial. What up, Dion? I don't know what you're talking about, Jimmy. Thank you, Stace. Thank you. Yeah, I keep a track of my trade, Zane. Yeah. I mean, it's a bit different for like guys that trade like myself and, you know, the guys in the communities because we look for like 1 or 2 decent trades a day. We're not like rat scalping multiple trades a day, which there's nothing wrong with. It's just not how we do it. So it's going to be a good idea to kind of track your shit. What up, Mood? Moodzilla. Wow, look at these candles. Like, you've got to be kidding. Like, it's been fucking 40 hours of just consolidation of death. We've got to get a move here. We've got to get out of this death pit. That was 30 closure. I mean, look at these 30 candles. I guess we're moving up. All right, Stace, I'll talk to you. Bye, 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 bye. What up, Golf? So that was an NQ30 closure as well. Yeah, take that for whatever how you want. I don't know what's going on there. Ranging for 3 days, bro, crazy. Do you believe that any strategy can work with the right risk management? I mean, any strategy in the sense that the strategy is actually a strategy, not just some bullshit. Like, yeah, it needs to actually have a proven edge. And then, yeah, technically anything could probably work. But like the idea, like the sentence, any strategy can work is a big stretch because a lot of strategies actually suck, right? A strategy means like everything's fleshed out. Not just, oh, I enter when I see a fucking dolphin. Like it has to be fully fleshed out in terms of just market timing, nuances, everything needs to be planned out. Can we get to 100 likes, you guys? Wow, only 48 likes and 1,000 people have been here. I'm just a pathetic loser. I knew it. My ex-girlfriend, my mom, my dog, they were all right. And the only way I can feel better about myself is through validation of likes. Do you think Pat Wheeldon is a good trader? I don't know anything about him. I know he gets a lot of views on his streams. I don't know anything about him. I have seen the controversy about him on YouTube, about things that he'd done in the past that were fraudulent, but I know that he actually is a decent trader because he's been on leaderboards and stuff. Yeah, it's full view. It's just what works, what I found the most success and what just feels the best. It's all subjective as well. Like 15-minute time frame would be low to, other guys as well. Have you? Hey, Janelle, I did his course as well. I don't want to be the one to say it. Scammer alert, scam alert. I call major cap, but good on him, do whatever, but I call major cap. Major cap. I've tried contacting you on IAG, it's probably spam. It depends what you contacted it about, because I do look at all my boxes. If it was just some weird offer, then I probably would just not done anything. Who did you learn off? Everyone, bro. But then I just stuck to the main one, which was price action, which originated from Raja Banks. 1, 2, 3 today. That's Raja saying 1, 2 trade today, but he's also like really angry. You're missing the retest, Daniel. No, I'm not. No, I am not missing anything. Don't tell me what I'm missing. I mean, I don't know about that it doesn't work. I just mean more in, I don't know. That's all. I don't even know. What's your thoughts on Umar Ashraf? I don't know anything about him. I know that he's apparently like big dog or whatever. Oh, lost a couple grand to an Aussie scammer. I wonder who the fuck would have scammed you, Ariel? Got a lot of guys from the Netherlands. So yeah, we're edging this level here. We'll see what happens, you guys. I mean, it's a lot of green, so we'll see what happens. I mean, if I had a fucking thing for every time I said to see what happens, I would be a billionaire. Try using fractals. Try using my nuts. I don't even know what fractals are. I feel like fractals are the things you see when you're like on DMT or something. Thoughts on ICT? I mean, the dude seems like, well, the dude is a scammer. Like, he's obviously, how many times has he done the Robin Cup? Like, how many times have people just caught him out photoshopping as well, like photoshopping his broker statements? But I mean, the strategy that he takes seems to work for a lot of people. So I don't know. But the dude seems like a crazy person, but his strategy works for people. Are we seeing what happens? Mama. Oh, fractals let you see the dolphin. Okay, nice. Wow, so he fully went offline. That's crazy. Only works on replay mode, lol. Coded the algorithm. Yeah. Coded the algorithm, but keeps blowing accounts on the Robbins Cup. Yeah, it's going to be tough to take a sell here as well if this creates a sell opportunity, because typically in these scenarios where it's you're edging the resistance level and then you're looking to sell from there, you typically want it to like at least give it a stab. It's a bit sus that it hasn't even tried to fucking... this is if it does start to reject. But yeah, we'll see. What's the funny slang over in Dubai? Bro, I don't even know anything about Dubai. All I do is trade, make content, sit in a room, go to the gym, go to the beach. Goo goo gaga. The Robbins Cup is a joke? Really? Why? Why is the Robbins Cup a joke? Yeah, you're going to get a lot of fake ones, bro. Have you tried the warehouse gym? Nah, I've seen it. I've walked past it. I've signed up to a little hidden gym. It's walking distance. What's the worst trading advice you were ever given when you started? None. I'm not like, a lot of people thought when they got into trading that it was a get rich quick. I never thought that. I knew it was going to take time. Maybe it's because I'm a bit older. Like I knew that there's nothing in life that money comes quick that's going to be easy. Right. So I never really had too much misconceptions. Nah, I'm not going to hidden gyms for that. I mean, it's just a coincidence that it seems to be like kind of a hidden gym. I don't know anything about the Robbins Cup, but fuck that. Can't be bothered. Oh, they snavel up your commissions. Wow. What's the best trading advice you ever heard? Nothing. The most underwhelming fucking answer. There's nothing, you guys. There's nothing special. There's nothing bad. It's just show up every day. Yeah, it's just show up. Don't be a little bitch about it and just assess your mistakes of yesterday. Yeah. Deleta, what up, my dude? Best advice for intermediate trader wanting to get into prop firms? Get into it. That's it. Now's your time. Start utilizing it. Like I said, like best advice, don't be a bitch about it. That's exactly the best example of it right there. Just do the shit. Do it. Just do it. Just do it, man. What's the worst that's going to happen? You lose money. Yes, sir. Well, I agree with the standard bloke. Why do you think there's so many influencers for trading from the US, but those from Australia seem far in between? Probably just the population. The population's different, like higher in the US. Australia, trading hasn't taken off that much. I don't know why. I don't really care either, but it just is what it is. But then, like, the idea of an influencer and trading is like who gives a shit? People really hate to hear the word influencer or content creator and trader together, but that's typically just dumb people. Like, it's just the reality of life. If you're passionate about something and you do it every day, it only makes sense to maybe make content about it if it's a big part of your life, because so many other doors can open up from doing that as well. All right? No, but you're a trader. You have to just be a trader. You can't do anything else. It's like, hey, bro, you don't know how the world works. TikTok's crazy. It just bumped up my viewers by like 400 randomly. It's still going up. Wild stuff. Wild, wild, wild. I'm in the Discord. Nice. Good to have you there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Callum. My only reservation is, like, I'm a bit sus that this level hasn't even at least been tested. I'll be very sus on that, I think. Algorithm's hooking a brother up. Can we get to 100 likes here on YouTube, you guys? Is that humanly possible to get 13 more likes? Quite a few creators from Oz. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so out of touch, man. I should really be looking at shit more. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Don't be surprised if this comes down and then fake sells out and then breaks up. We'll see. TikTok is so weird. So it just pumped up to 600 viewers randomly and then just dropped down to 270. I have no idea. TikTok is just on meth. Yeah, all right, let me start looking at what a cell would look like here. What's your record? Undefeated. Pushing down here. There's a top like level here that it's tapping into. We'll see. I'll tell you what I'm thinking, and impatient people are going to shit their pants, but I would really love to see another small body candle close here, because that'll be a 30 closure. Or if I can see what this candle does, if this wants to come down here, fake out, and then start pushing back up and close back up, then I want to strap in for a buy. I think there's a decent probability of a buy, like price testing this level here. I'm not convinced that this is a good sell just yet. Like, even if it does start to push down, which will look like this, then people will be like, oh, look, it's selling. But then that could just turn into a wick. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not convinced in a sell just yet. Because look at that. If it can hold ground there, then the 30 closure will look nice. The 30 closure will look much nicer. That'll be a 1 hour. Yeah, that'll look nice on the 1 hour as well. Then I'll look for sells. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing if I'm looking for sells. Alternatively, if this breaks above, now I've got a bit of support here. This will be good for buys if it can break above on this candle. Yeah, this is Project X. Dan, do you ever message people on Discord? Yeah. Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah, there's fake people in Discord as well. Be careful. The advice I thought was the worst was psychology advice. I thought, what? I'm not going to do any of that. I know myself. Nah, that's the best advice you probably got. Turns out I didn't have a clue about. Oh, okay. So there you go. Yeah, good. Turns out I didn't have a clue about the self-sabotage I was capable of. Yeah. The thing is with the market, it's a perfect environment for self-sabotaging behavior. Yeah. The market is waiting with arms open. Oh, you feeling in the mood for some self-sabotage? Come in, my friend. Do you live on other platforms? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. Every day on YouTube. It's every day, man. Yeah, so I think as of tomorrow, the world's biggest trading giveaway. The trading industry's world's biggest trading giveaway. 30 prop firm accounts. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it all in one day, but yeah, we're going to be doing something. Better on YouTube, can see the whole chart. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you can see the whole chart on YouTube. You think about the long term, even if you make 10K with one trade, it won't change. Nah, 10K doesn't mean shit. Better late than never. Abdul, I'm specifically not telling you the pair name now because you spam that. Yeah. You'll see partial, you'll see soon. I'll start talking about it a bit more. Having the same issue with self-sabotage. I'm trying to manifest and law of attraction, but every day the demons in my head make me act emotional. Any advice? Yeah, you've got to understand, like, that you're playing a game of two different things. Like you're putting weight on one thing, expecting it to resolve the other thing. Like manifestation or the law of attraction or visualization is you just kind of, painting the picture of what you plan to achieve in the future. But your actions are the only thing that's going to get you closer to that. So it's your actions that are the self-sabotage. It has nothing to do with your manifestation. It's really difficult. Yeah, it is really difficult. Obviously, like the general advice would be, like, identify that you have a self-sabotaging nature outside of the charts probably, and set strict parameters. No, the very first step of Alcoholics Anonymous is admit that you have a problem. So you have to admit what your behaviors are, get it out on paper. It's embarrassing sometimes because you don't want to admit it. So the first step is get it out, understand what your behavior is, make a plan of how you're going to stop it. And then you just have to do it. You just have to act on that. There's no like secret, there's no code around it. It's just you have to make the decision then to stop. Any trips to Mexico in the future? Any trips to Mexico in the future? Let's have a look. Mexico. Damn. Maybe I will come to Mexico. I mean, she's a famous actor. Yeah, maybe I will come to Mexico. Maybe. Ty, how come you're not taking a gold cell? Yeah, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it just yet. Yeah, I really wanted, I was saying before, I really want to see price at least test this level. I'm a bit sus that it hasn't tested that level before kind of pulling back. And if this close kind of small body red or green, then I'll take it based on the 30. The 30 will engulf then, and also it'll look nice in the 1 hour as well. But as it sits there, it's just not enough for me just yet. Yeah. Bro is hungry in Dubai. Bro even looked at the grandma. I mean, yeah, you got to see what they look like older. Yeah, I broke it down when this closed, you guys. Why I was thinking I wasn't interested in this. Your whole identity is tied to what you do. If you want to be a trader, your identity is someone who sticks to the rules. Yeah, incredible advice. Yep. Exactly. Couldn't agree more. Yeah, the giveaway will be the London sesh, London stream. Yeah, that's right. People already know the answer. One of the biggest advices that I asked a trader that I respected once was, when I kept blowing accounts and revenge trading, I said to him, I can't stop revenge trading. I keep blowing my accounts. I keep breaking my rules. How do I stop? And he said, and I'll never forget it, he said, if you don't, he didn't tell me he didn't tell me what I needed to do to stop, but he said, if you don't stop, you'll never be successful here. He said, that's never going to change. If you don't stop revenge trading and breaking your trading rules, you will never be successful here. And I was like, oh, fuck. Why? It's so true. God damn it. Right? And I never forget it. It hit me so hard. And I was like, it's fucking true, man. He didn't tell me what I needed to do because he knew that it's human psychology. We already know what we need to do. It's just doing it. That's the hard part. He just simply said, if you don't stop, you'll never be successful here. So then it's on you. Yeah, so if this can close anything similar to what it looks like now, I'll be interested on the next candle. Oh wow, look at this. Could take a gamble trade here on... Oh no, I can't. How long did you or Raja? No, I didn't. Raja wasn't a mentorship, it was a course. Yeah, Raja wasn't a mentorship, it was a course. Thanks, Bud. I don't know how I feel about Bud, but all good. No worries. Detailed video about how to analyze when we sit on trading system. How to analyze when sit on trading system. I mean, if this drops, there's nothing I can do about it, but yeah, I have to stick to my plan here. I wouldn't be mad if it dropped a bit. It would look really nice in the 1 hour, actually. Yeah, it typically takes 24 hours for Bull and Ox. Get to 100 likes over. Yeah, 118 likes. Yay, I'm validated. Engulfing candle a rule? I mean, yeah, it's just a nice confluence to have for sure. Yeah, it's a nice confluence to have. Bud. Hey, pal. Hey, bud. We went through this before. Bud, pal, champ, sport. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about any of those. Nice browser. I mean, I don't know how you got 3K because the limit is 1.7 unless you've, you know, done all the shit. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Maybe. Oh, over 2 accounts. Nice. W. Good shit, man. What up, Aziz? Aziz. Ziz's birthday the other day. Nah, uncapped payments are after 3 on the one account. What up, lucky me? So we've got 3 minutes here for this candle closure. We'll see what happens. I don't know if it's a possibility for a detailed video. Nah, I can do it in the mentorship and stuff. Yeah, there's certain things we give out to the public for free. It's not that I'm trying to gatekeep anything, but it also has to be engaging. It's not very engaging. Like, it's only for like serious traders, and you know, there's a fine line between giving content on social media that's going to be like get views and target the right audience and actually give value to serious traders. Myron, bro. What up, Niraj? I'm doing amazing. Yeah, NQ doesn't know anything. Mentorship too costly, brother? Yeah, then it's not for you, my dude. What time is your podcast? I've got to be there at 1:30. It's currently 12 o'clock. Big Az, what up, brother? How are you, my dude? The famous Aaron Trades. Bali Bandit. Damn, I got to pick your brain about some Bali shit. I think I already said that. Bali Bandit. He's a Bali boy. Dubai life is good, yeah. Yeah, it's good. Although the routine's just the same as Australia, so I'd barely do anything outside of the ordinary. Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely good, bro. Are you out of Australia yet? Out of Australia, like it's fucking flee the country. All right, I got 20 seconds for this closure. Let's push down a little bit. 2 favorite traders. Imagine us combined. We use fusion like Dragon Ball Z. Don't get married to a trade. Yeah, that's great advice. Back in Europe now. Nice. Fuck yeah, man. Eject. Eject from Australia. Dope. Hell yeah. Yeah, interesting structure here. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to visualize a little bit here. Still just in this range, bro. I mean, it looks kind of nice on Forex for that type 2 there. Why eject from Australia? I mean, why not? When you're a trader, you can kind of do whatever. You can move to Epstein's Island if you want. Like, there's literally possibilities endless. Thank you, Melch. Appreciate it, man. Ordinary. So let's have a look here. I'm just trying to get a pulse on what's some potential here. Start on YouTube, brother. Start on Google. Just Google and YouTube your way up. Yeah, just start with the basics. What is trading? What is Forex? What's a candlestick? I said it yesterday, just like if you wanted to become a videographer, you would start Googling what's the best camera to use? What's the best editing software? It's just the same with trading. Hit your stop loss. It's all right. It's just a trade. Yeah, I'm trying to visualize here, you guys, and try and get some sort of pulse, but it's tricky in this range, man. It's tricky in this range. It is tricky in this range. I don't want to have to take a subpar trade just because, you know what I mean? I really want something that's obvious. I mean, the issue is if we get a closure back up like this, you haven't got a ton of room. You haven't got a ton of room until you run into that level there. Still listen to Hilltop Hoods? Nah, not really. I would if I wanted to, but... How many trades are taking this week so far? Is it Wednesday? 2 or 3? Yeah, 2 or 3. 1 yesterday, I think 2 on Monday. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing the Dissy? Anyone looking at anything? I mean, I think some of you guys were looking at this as a type 2. It wouldn't have been the worst idea. I couldn't commit to it. NQ's taken off. Yeah. I mean, that's a fucking overstatement, but yeah. Do you recommend scalping, bro? I recommend just trying out a couple things if you're brand new and seeing what feels best. Big party shirt. What up, my dude? Let the party begin. Bro, you need to do a live stream where it's just a party with like chicks in bikinis dancing in the background. Trust. Yeah, probably. NQ's legging it. Do you do pool trades? Do you use your brain? when you ask a question. Do you do 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 do? Do you do do do? Do you swim trade? Just keep Googling, my brother. Keep Googling. Oh, you did that, Shib? Yeah, fair enough. I mean, if some of you guys took that, I guess, yeah, there was enough there to take it, and good stuff. Wait, what did you get cooked on, Cody? So a little bit of patience here. We've been consolidating for like 2 days, man. So, you know, unless we get the signs that it's ready to start doing some shit over here, really don't want to get it. You know, like how much does it suck to be stuck in a consolidation trade? It's just like, God damn it. I don't spend too much in time. I trade the Asia session for about an hour and a half and then the London session for about an hour and a half. So 3 hours a day. 3 hour day, keep a attack man away. Nice party shirt. Yeah, you're crushing it with prop firms, man. It's amazing. Yeah, they're drilling holes for signals, bro. I think that's what they were trying to do, yeah. Wait, but what did you take a sell based on this 30, Cody? Like sell this down? Yeah, definitely gotta flex that patience muscle for sure. I mean, especially just in the last couple of days, like look at this Death City, right? So, I mean, gold has fucking made me very patient, just waiting for that setup. Oh, okay. Is it lagging? Damn, a few people are saying that. It's not lagging for you? It's fine, okay. All right, cool. It's this is unbelievable stuff though, you guys. Like, so typically when gold does something like this, like you can anticipate a pretty decent move coming. But like if we remember the other week, remember how we were stuck in like the ultimate shit for a couple days as well. All through here. Who remembers this? This was fucking the pits of hell. For like 2 days. Bro, you always make me smile. I mean, I'm glad to hear that, brother. I'd rather that than to make you kind of frown. So that's good. That's good. Do you think NQ will retrace? Have no idea. Yeah, have no idea. Yeah. My win rate is 80 to 100%. Nice. You are him. You are the chosen one. You may be Neo himself. You may actually be Neo. Yeah. I mean, maybe there was an opportunity there on NQ. I don't know. Bit risky. Why don't you trade NQ? Because I always and New York, because I trade Asia and London. I gotta have I gotta do some other stuff in life as well. If I trade every session, then my whole life is like charts. 2 sessions is plenty. Yeah, Ashley, that's more like it. I was saying that yesterday on stream. There's so many guys that have like a 30% win rate that absolutely crush it, like yourself, obviously. Like, it's only newer traders that think like a higher win rate means something. I understand, like it's just math. Like, win rate doesn't. You can get a lot of paper cuts and then get that big fucking breakthrough, and you're that guy. You're not that guy. Entry types aside from breakouts would just be like kind of a bounce off a level, like a bounce off. It's a bit tough here. We're just like there's not a ton happening just yet. Catch 2-3 L's the same trade and then yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's W. 1, 2 trades a day. That's all that you gotta do. Bro, throwing shots at you with your win rate. Yeah, we're throwing shots. Shots. I'm trading from Fib. It's good. If it works for you, my brother, it's good. Yeah, psychologically, it's probably easier to have a higher win rate. That's maybe a good point, yeah. But yeah, I guess at some point you gotta harden the mind, so. But actually good. This strategy works like crazy. People don't know how you're actually helping people for real. Yeah, that's good to hear, man. That is good. I mean, when I used to stream, I didn't really think anyone listened. And then I realized people actually benefit, which is crazy. Wow, this is bananas. Look at this doji candle here. Nothing. I really thought that we might get a move here in London. Do you recommend to get more trades / profits? But that's the thing, Sebastian, you put in brackets profit. What gives you the impression just because you're taking more trades means you're going to make more money? What if you take 3 trades a day and they're all losses? So then you have to put in brackets losses. DAX. What's the symbol for DAX? Is it just DAX? I don't know if Top Step have that. Is it DX or something? DXY or some shit? Most valuable lesson I've learned from you is give up girls and clubbing and drugs and all vices before you ever think about becoming profitable. Not that the girls are bad, but yeah, I know exactly what you mean. That's good that you've taken that in, man. Yeah, that's definitely the biggest thing. Have you ever thought about doing a charity MMA fight with Raja? Nah, I don't want to have any more fights. Yeah. Especially MMA, like it's serious. Like an MMA fight, a fight in general is serious. Like what if you got, like let's just paint some picture. Imagine me and Raja did a charity MMA fight and then one of us got knocked unconscious with an elbow to the dome piece, smashed out your teeth, your nose was broken. And then it's just like, oh, charity. And it's like, oh yeah, it's a real dumb idea. Yeah, this is beautiful price action.
Take a deep breath and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't?
do boxing, but the same can happen in boxing. You can get fucked up in boxing. And Raj is a tall drink of water. Like Raj is big boy. But I've had 2 boxing matches, so I would win anyway. I've got more experience. Just started my new account. I lost my 100% win rate. Bro, now I'm 80%. Your win rate is based on 1,000 trades. So if you've got 1,000 trades, then you can say you've got a win rate. But if you've only taken 4 trades, doesn't mean anything, bro. Like, I love you, but think about it. What was your last light bulb moment before everything started to click in your head? What someone said before, I realized I had all these vices and these things that were holding me back from becoming my true potential. Nah, but on the real, that is, I had to face that reality, definitely. People think, oh, vices, I don't have any, but then they'll sit on the couch after work for like 2 hours and scroll TikTok and just waste their entire life away. I'm like, that's a vice, you idiot. You're wasting your life. That's a massive vice. Massive vice. Yeah, my nose, I need nose surgery actually as well. I literally actually need nose surgery. On the inside, it's completely sideways. You can only breathe out one nose. For your X reps. That was a good video, hey. Yeah, if you never take a trade, you just got a 100% win rate. Oh, that's true. Just Standard Bloke goes, doom scrolling is terrible, but I did find your stream. So maybe I will promote doom scrolling then. Yeah, sweet Shib. You're already up for the day. Thank you for being here, Jenna. Yeah, man, I'm here to trade, but this is crazy stuff, man. This is crazy. I really anticipated, maybe it's New York, we might get a push, I don't know. There's just no fucking volume in the market right now. Market's finally doing something. What are you seeing, bro? I'm not seeing that at all. What up, Leo? I'm not seeing that at all. I would love to see that. Best and worst thing about Dubai? The best thing about Dubai is the 0 tax, or maybe 9% once you get to a certain, or 6% once you get to a certain point. So there's a 0 tax. You're surrounded by other winners. You know, I went to a gym to sign up and I said, what's the peak hours here? When are most people here? And they were like, peak hours? I'm like, yeah, you know, like 5 a.m. or 6 p.m. peak time when there's a lot of people here. They said, oh, no. People don't have 9 to 5s here. We don't have peak hours. Like, isn't that fucking hilarious? That people are killing it so much here. Like, oh no, people don't work 9 to 5 and then come to gym after work, you stupid idiot. Everyone's fucking balling. Everyone comes here whenever the fuck they want. So you're around people that are crushing it. There's like 0 crime. Like there's security everywhere. You're very safe here. And the only cons would be the chicks are a nightmare. Yeah, the girls are like, it's about what can you do for them and shit, which I don't like. Yeah, I don't like that. Sylvia, good to see you. Actually, an aura quote, we don't do 9 to 5 here. I know, crazy, right? Yeah, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm gonna hang out for a bit longer, but right now this isn't looking enticing. This is definitely not looking enticing right now here on gold. Did NQ really teleport? If it didn't move much here, I'm blocking you. I mean, it's kind of moving, yeah. Thailand, meet so many kind of women. I wonder if you're alluring to what I think. What up, Backy? Dax is off. Wow, everyone's moving except gold. Look at this, trading while on my phone, working the docks, 12-hour shifts. Good man, Tony. Get it, brother. Get it, queen. Yeah, anyone, what are you guys in the mentorship? Anyone cooking up any ideas? Is anyone cooking up any ideas? Because right now, I'm not seeing anything, man. Not the lady boys. Yeah, legit. Till New York maybe. So I'll let this candle close, see if it can present anything. See how the next one starts to open up, and if it looks cooked, then I might just call it. Come back on New York. No, I'm not. These wicks mean nothing right now. Yeah, don't. I wouldn't be concerned about these wicks. It's just. I'm an island boy. How do I crash the market? Put a $1 trillion buy position in. I mean, sell position. Yeah, I'm sure it would be, Yash. Yeah, I'm sure it would be. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do. Well, I'm planning to do Bali towards the end of the year. See how things go. Dubai's good. Yeah, Dubai's good. Forex. Nothing. Not a fucking, not even nudging. When's that, Ash? Yeah, gold Tyrone is nasty. Are you from Italy? Luigi. No. Nah. 2 trades, Rasa. New Year's, oh, okay. What exactly are you looking for? Yeah, good question. It's tough right now. It is tough right now. There's oh, static. I do it in CapCut, yeah. Wait, the line for your resistance. Yeah, I add in a line separately. Yeah, I add in a line separately as an image file. Yeah, with a transparent background, so just a line. Yeah, this is dog shit, you guys. I'm gonna head off. There's absolutely nothing happening here, unfortunately. And I won't be streaming it, I'll come back for New York, so. Yeah, be safe, you guys. If you're gonna trade within this, like, be careful, man. Be careful, bro. And but yeah, appreciate you guys a ton. Sorry, thought something might happen here, but nothing's happening. So all good. Love you, gang. I'll catch up with you guys on stream tomorrow if you're around. Peace out, fam. Peace out.